Hi, my name is Arnel Custodio and welcome to another BoldGrid video tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to install WooCommerce, and we're going to install it to a WordPress installation that has BoldGrid loaded. Here you can see that I'm already logged into the WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and go to Plugins and click on Add New. In WordPress installations with BoldGrid loaded, you will see the BoldGrid plugins immediately. These include the BoldGrid plugins that have been loaded and those that have not been loaded. In the top left-hand corner, you will see a menu. Click on Featured. Then, in the top right-hand corner, type in WooCommerce where it says Search Plugins. When the search is completed, the WooCommerce plugin should appear in the top left-hand corner. It should indicate that it is compatible with your version of WordPress. Click on the Install button to install. The installation will complete quickly depending on your connection to the internet. When it's finished, you will see an Activate button. Click on Activate to turn on the plugin. Once the WooCommerce plugin is loaded and activated, the setup wizard for WooCommerce will appear. This wizard will appear only if you have never loaded WooCommerce on this WordPress install. If you have installed previously and removed it, the wizard will not start. You will need to add your store information using the WooCommerce interface. This tutorial will follow the WooCommerce setup wizard. At this point, you will need to add information about your store. It starts with country, then has the address, the city, state, and then the post or zip code. Next, it will ask about the currency you're using to accept payments, and then it will ask you if you're selling physical or digital products. Make sure to select the options that are appropriate for your business. There's also a checkbox that you can select if you are selling products or services in person. The final checkbox on the page is already checked, and it is in regards to allowing WooCommerce to track your usage of the application. You can uncheck it if you don't want them to track you. Click on Let's Go to move to the next screen in the wizard. The next screen you see from the setup wizard is Payment. Here you can select the payment gateway that you wish to use. By default, there are two payment gateways used by WooCommerce, Stripe and PayPal. You have the option of using offline payments as well. Click on the sliders to load the payment method or to remove it. Note that each option will load plugins for their use. Click Continue to proceed. The next screen is for recommended options for your WooCommerce store. The first option is labeled Automated Taxes. It automates tax calculation and collection at checkout. This option loads WooCommerce services and Jetpack. MailChimp is a service to help with marketing your store. It is an excellent tool that provides automated emails as well as targeted campaigns. These options are checked by default. If you do not wish to load them, then click on the checkbox to remove the option. Note that both of these options will load plugins to your WordPress site. Click on Continue to proceed. The next screen you will see is basically a marketing page for Jetpack. It has a lot more functionality than just helping automate the calculation of your taxes. Click on Continue with Jetpack to install it. You can also skip the step by clicking on the link at the bottom of the page. If you don't already have an account with WordPress.com, then the installation of Jetpack will stop with an error message that says, "Sorry, we couldn't connect your store to Jetpack." However, you will have an option to complete its installation in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Finish Setting Up Store to finish the wizard. Congratulations, you finally reached the end of the wizard and you're finally ready to start selling. The final screen asks you to provide an email for tips, product updates, and inspirations. You also have the option to create a product, import products, and visit the dashboard or review settings and/or view and customize your site. There are also some links at the bottom of the page, which gives you guided tour videos and getting started options for WooCommerce. Thanks again for viewing our BoldGrid video tutorial. Please give us a thumbs up and join our channel for more information.